Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Guten Morgen. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's early morning over here, and it's a fine morning. When I say that, we give much thanks to Almighty God for the great, good life today and for the amazing day today. This video today, I miss you guys. It has been a long time since we started. Actually, yesterday I missed doing a video because I was very busy, more than busy. But we thank God today we are around here. But before we go far, you see here it's called African Groove Hub. African Groove Hub. African Groove Hub. This is one of the best bands and the best studios in Ghana, based in Accra, Ghana. In the is it in West Legon? But West Legon something, or East Legon? Yeah, but kindly if you subscribe, you say African Groove Hub. It's actually under the management of Engineer Viglo. You can go also check him on YouTube by the name Engineer Viglo. He's really doing a great job. Very nice. He's one of the best. When I visited Accra, Ghana in West Africa, I really enjoyed by him taking us around, showing us around, and also he gifted us these shirts written African Groove Hub. It's only saying Groove Hub, but this is the map of Africa that shows you African Groove Hub. A big shout out to you. You are the best, and keep up doing the great job. So guys, kindly go check them out, African Groove Hub, and also Engineer Vigro in general. I appreciate your love and support. So today's video, I'm shooting this video from my beautiful home, or my beautiful house here, my bulletproof house, my mad house here in Kenya, Africa, and I really appreciate your love and support. Subscribe. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Each day is a new day to hustle. Each day is a very new day, like to show you the new life of this. So from here, I'll be taking you outside, and we want to be seeing first. I'll be feeding our dogs. Second, I'll be showing you around because we want to be watering. We have planted some flowers over here, so I'll be showing you the improvement of our flowers. Third, it's a very nice day to go visit our land. I'll take my wife there because since it has been like 3 months since she went there to the land, so I will be taking her there, and we'll be seeing what we can do at the land and what we can just share what's happening over there. So subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this. This is a mad house, guys. Mad house. I just changed it to be the way it is, but still not yet, it's not yet complete. As you see, we have to scrub this because this is gypsum. We have to scrub it, also scrub, and then we repaint it as we stay in here, as we wait to just build our house over there. We can call it a dream house in our dreamland, and then things will work out well. All right, I bought this. This is a when I bought a toilet or a seat toilet, I was given also this. This is a washing basin that you can attach it over here. But for now, because I never wanted to fix it here, you can fix it over here, and then you can do what you call it. You can be washing hands from here. If maybe at all you want to eat from this side, you can wash your hands from here. I fixed this mirror here by my own or by myself, and that's how it is. I fixed it. You can fix it here. You wash your hands from here, and then you do what we call like you can eat from this side. Some days I'll put a small table here because this acts as a table, and this acts as a dining table, because I'm just fixing it because what we think is I never wanted to put a dining table here, because reason being because I had these seats and I couldn't dispose these seats. I was like, okay, let me use them. But before that, let's show the African authentic groove hub, by making a very special gym, like squatting, eh? Ooh. And then we take our small gym or small 10 kg things, and then we can pull down is something like that, little by little. You just stretch, you know, just something to stretch a little bit, ah, something like that, like that, like that. Oh wow, just to freshen up. Huh? Yeah, something like that, you know. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. And those who are in the hospital, please, let's pray for them. Let's cross fingers for them. Let's wish them a quick recovery. May Almighty God bless you, and may Almighty God send His quick recovery to you all, both who are in the hospitals. So yeah, hey, the moment I'll just come out without food, these dogs will just run towards me, and they'll be like, I want food, I want food. So let me greet grandma first, and then let's see. Wow, it's a very early morning over here, guys. This is my beautiful home. That's Granny's house, my parents' house, my house, my brother's house, our kitchen. What a privilege waking up from your house. Nobody just beat you. Oh, wake up! It's early morning. Yeah, it's a very nice. I give thanks to Almighty God because it's a nice day, and we're having this great lady here. Huh? Lady here.
Lady here.
Hey.
Hey.
How are you?
How are you?
This lady, she's shining. Huh? I wish I can grow old like her, just like having a smooth face with no wrinkles. Huh? We dance with great Granny, dance. See you dance. Oh, see you dance. Smile and dance. Smiling and dance. Shake. Your shoulders, shake your shoulders. Woo! Hey guys, good morning. How are you? You great? Subscribe, guys. Like, share, and comment. Yes, I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you. Yes, guys, this is my amazing granny over here. She's just under sun. She's just receiving some vitamin D from the amazing sun, because early in the morning she always sits here to just watch what we call like kama hii groove hub. Say African groove hub. Say African groove hub. Hub. African groove hub. Say subscribe to African groove hub. Alikuja, sijui alienda wapi.
Alikuja hapa.
Ule African Jumbe. A big shout out to you. A big shout out to African Jumbe. She just remembered you, African Jumbe. Like, there's an African Jumbe who once told me and sent me money. Where is he? He's in Canada. He's in Canada, but currently in Tanzania. Okay. So guys, ni Mkanada, si Mluya. Mkanada. Sema Canada. T-dot. All right, baby. Okay. Sawa, baby. Enjoy. Hey. Look at this. Tusker. Tusker want to bite me. Let me bring them food. I told you guys, these things, if they see me, they want me. We want to look a vet for them. Guys, we are preparing some tea over here. We have tea. So before we go to the land, to just go and because it's very far from home, and we have to take tea so that we can go there and just to do what we call like. So Wife is preparing tea, and with me I have milk here. And a big shout out to the subscriber who sent the $5. Like, oh, the food for the dogs. We always buy milk for it, and then we mix it with ugali, because for now there's no shop here that have dog foods until you go to Migori, and it's very far. So I wanna do what we call like make this is milk. I wanna mix it with ugali, a little of ugali, and then because we have just cut ugali little by little, you have to add milk on ugali. We have 3 dogs over here, and then another one here. And then there's another one that I'm going to bring it from this side. There's another plate. Peter's idea. Hey, the dogs are waiting. Oh my god, they're just waiting. This is for the bigger dog, right?
Yeah.
The dogs are waiting out there. This, if they eat this, oh, they'll just sleep until okay.
You can add some here.
Yeah. You know, this is the big dog. It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
I think add more milk for this one. I think yesterday they didn't get enough milk.
Okay, I was not around. All right. Oh no. Okay. Can you come with the camera?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, I don't know. I think you're here.
Open that.
It's gonna be war.
Which one?
War from the.
Go for it.
It's gonna be. I hope they don't see first. Let me just help you because I know they are going to make your life terrible. Hey.
No way.
I'm telling you. You wait and
look already. Look the way they're rushing at me. Look.
Come here.
And then we put this one over here. Someone is calling. So guys, as you see over here, this other one is eating slowly. No, why do you want to eat? You have your own food, man. Eat. This one finishes and it wants to come and eat other people's food. Because these are small, they want to eat, they eat slowly. This one want to rush from there to come and eat over here. Yeah, so this is how you see. They are eating slowly by slowly. Minhawi,
Yeah,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. They're eating slowly by slowly. If you see a dog eats until it just finishes that way. So it eats slowly by slowly, and then from here guys will take you to our land. No, eat slowly and then you just go play, okay? Don't come to disturb this other stuff over here. I'll beat you. So yeah, it's a very nice language. Eat. You know, this one has eaten and he has rushed to the
They're looking for milk.
They're looking
They love
for
milk.
They love milk, even if she doesn't eat ugali. Oh my god. I think like this, if they eat this way, maybe some days we wanna try to look for dog's food.
Yeah, I'm trying to get dog food.
Dog's food, yeah. Alright guys, let's see. You just go eat yours over here. Why? No, stick to your lane, man. Don't focus on other people's food, okay? No, I just have to hold you because these are small dogs, and this one is a little bit big.
It's very stubborn.
And it's very stubborn. It has left its food there. No, come eat your food.
No
way.
So guys,
you
I've looked for the names.
Subscribers have been asking for us. Which have been suggesting names. Some said you can call this Blue. Some said you can call it Bella. You can call this Benny. You can call it Sporty. But I don't know which kind of name have you suggested for
so this guy his name is going to be Bumble. Bumble.
Some said you can call it Big Paw because that's
I'm not giving them the names. Bumble B.
Bumble B.
So Bumble and B. Yeah.
Some said white cotton dog.
Okay, maybe that's a name. That's the name of the genetic name. But then now this is going to be B because he acts like a bee. He's very fierce.
B.
That one is a bit.
Look at this, the way you touch it. Look.
Yeah. Now this guys, this is going to be Bumble B.
Bumble and B.
This one I don't know. It's
Tusker. It was given a name called Tusker.
This one is Nani's name is Nani's dog. Manu's dog. So I don't want to name his dog without his consent. Okay. So it's Bumble and B.
Or without his knowledge.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's wait and see. They are now happy. Now you can enjoy your food as we want.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Hey, very fierce. Why?
He doesn't want, and it's not his plate. It's chasing the others away, and it's not his plate.
Okay. We just go and buy what we call like a kennel for them soon.
Especially this one.
Now it's time to go to our land. Yeah. Something like that. That way. So we also have music over here. Soon. Let's go, guys. We are going to the shamba and we have our special radio over here. Play by EF Claude.
Semuanya sifat jema nyumbani.
Hey!
Hey, look at my motorbike. Yeah, so guys, we are heading. We are going, and let's see what's happening on the other side. See you on our land. We have views from both sides. Whether you are coming from the east of my land, you have the view. Whether you come from the south of my land, you have the view. Whether you come from the north, as the north of our land, you still have the view. And we are surrounded by natural trees, not like these eucalyptus, maybe gravarias. No, just indigenous trees like this you see here. Very great indigenous trees. So this is the forest that you always see when you are at the side of my land. Very nice and great. Amazing. And one thing I love about this is it's strategically located. You have roads from both sides. You know, if somebody comes, maybe he wants or she wants to maybe hijack you from one road, you can pass another road. You avoid jam. Very nice. That's a very nice view. And we are also near the river. We also have a river near. Very nice, which is very fertile. You can put on maize, you can plant anything of your likeness in the river. If you want sugar cane, you can plant sugar cane. If you want to plant yams, you can plant yams. If you want to harvest sand, you can harvest sand. So it's a very nice place. Yeah. And like that, we are on our land. Here is home, where we call home. Hallelujah, hallelujah. We are just actually over here, guys. We arrived in our land, and still we are here. We want to just do some little cleaning, slashing slowly by slowly. But first I want to start with the sand, because on the sand, hey, it's where everything has been. You know, when you leave the sand that way, things might outgrow it and trees grow very big. Hey, first impression after 4 months.
Dirty. Dirty, it's bushy, dangerous. You can find snakes here if you don't maintain it.
Yes.
So yeah, we're cleaning it.
Yes, after a long time, maybe like 4 months, this lady has never stepped on this land.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. Even the bench itself.
Has turned.
We used to drink busara. Look at the cups are here. We used to roast some maize from this side, but still it has just come this way.
I wish we had a shade in this place.
Oh, we will create shades some little by little. Then this side we just put them as a place where you can step up, but it's already damaged. The insects have eaten everything over here. Oh my god.
The sun has been too hot.
Woo! It has been too bushy. And the view is spectacular. Yeah, so guys, let's keep on working. I want to just do some little clearing, starting from the sand where you see. You want to sit and help me? Maybe just come and hold that, because I don't want to subject you to work. I don't want to subject you to work.
Why?
No, let me just work.
I will work.
No, you'll just be a camera woman for now. Yeah, so we want to see. Are you happy? You know, I added some materials, though you are not around. I added some ballast, and it's clean ballast. Can you see it? It's very clean ballast. Just wearing her over here. What do you think? Anything else that's added over here? Do you think anything else has been added?
Actually, I hadn't noticed that. I think it's only that.
It's only this.
Yeah. But we added some stones last time we were here, and maybe this is what. Did you add anything else?
Yeah, we added more stones, and we added some ballast. Like this one, you see, it's very clean. This one is one of the most cleanest ballast ever.
This is nice.
Yeah.
How much is a truck?
A truck of this, it depends. Like over here, we can buy it like $120. That's equivalent to 14,000 Kenyan shillings. Another place you can find people buying it at 15,000 Kenyan shillings.
It depends.
It depends. Like, and also it depends the type of ballast. Like this ballast is maybe grade 2 or grade 3, which is like 12,000. No, 14,000 Kenyan shillings. You can find, depends on the location, you can get at 15,000 at 12,000. And there's that one you can get it at 26,000, the fine one. And there's another one you can get it at 40,000. The smallest one. Tiny ones, yeah. So this one is actually meant for making maybe what we call like for making maybe concrete down, pouring slabs. Yeah, we use this, but for the pillars and the upper slabs, we use the fine ones. Okay. Yeah, so we did this, and then we came also on this other end. What are you looking at? Hey, there's a lot. Sorry, there's a lot of them. So that's why I told you to put on the gumboots, but you said
it's too hot.
What is this? Nowadays, a pipe. Nowadays things can be put in a land so that you cannot construct. So on this end, there's also sand. This sand we added when I was here, right? And on this upper side also I brought what we call like I added some hardcores. Do you notice that?
But the stones we added last time when you told them to add.
No, they added that. They added that one. Don't you see this is a recent one? This is a recent one.
They look different though.
Yeah, they look different, but it's the same one. The same brown one. It's only that this one has been crushed, but when you crush it, it becomes dark this way. Yeah, on the other end, up to the other side. So with sand, we'll be doing it slowly by slowly, guys. Slowly by slowly. So like hardcores, when I brought an engineer here, because the idea that he told me here. Hey, somebody's calling. Somebody's calling me.
That's your ringtone nowadays?
Come on. Come on.
That's your ringtone? I've not known that's your ringtone. That's changed.
Yeah, it said to me Garimu sana. That means what's happening? Wala kalo. Hey! Things are going very slowly. Hey, what's up? What? Sorry, somebody was calling me. So it's so sunny today. So we brought this, and when I came with the engineer, actually the idea that he told me is like to have what you call it. I'm just done with the people who are calling me. Yeah, so he told me like, you know, here because the land is elevated, like it's slanting, you can construct a house which is double. Like From this side you can see it's one, but if you're from this side, if you view it from this side, there are two. It's like a story building. I don't know if you get that idea, guys. It's like we can dig down, we dig down, and then from this up, if you're passing over here, you can see maybe it's one house.
Yeah.
But if you view it from this side, it has an underground.
Okay.
So it's like a story building. One day I'll just take you to where I used to work, over here, up here. It's one of a guy who,
but like my let me, can I air my opinion?
yes.
What if because normally here it rains a lot. When it rains a lot, remember how the walls start becoming when they're underground, the walls start becoming like they're peeling, like in our bulletproof house. There's a place where the wall
But that is a mud house.
No, even in Nairobi, in the swampy places, because most of parts of Nairobi they are swampy. So there are those gorofas that have been dug down. So and then the walls, when you see, because of the water, they start peeling.
And you know, now this, I understand your concept, but you know, on that side, they just put up a measure wire. Before constructing it, they pour slab on the wall. They construct it with stones. I don't know if you get that idea. Maybe I don't know, guys, but there's an idea that was on the other side. I'm gonna show you. And these stones shine like they have gold. maybe you have gold here. You don't know, man. All right, guys.
Anyway, guys, congratulations.
Thank you
for adding more two items when I wasn't around. And yeah, let's keep going.
Thank you.
The more the merrier. The more the easier.
Yeah.
Like it will make our work easier in future.
Absolutely.
When we start the construction.
Yeah, let me just remove this. You know, this grows very big on like on the sand like this. Guys, do you know this kind of plants? They grow very big, and also they grow on the sand like this. They grow very big. But for me, like the way I'm up here at home, when I'm at home right now, let me just take a good care of them, because David Senior was a guy who used to take care of this, but he really went
back to school.
Yeah, he went back to school, so it's better we just put this out.
You pull them out?
Put them out, we uproot them, and we leave sand as clean as it is. Because also, you can just uproot the one that is up and we leave the other ones which are around here.
To protect it from
protect
flowing.
the sand from from falling down. And I'm so surprised. They usually take their roots deep down, and there's no rain sometimes. It's very free. Put them down. Yeah, look.
Oh, the roots are deep.
Very deep. So just slashing this or uprooting this down. Then from here, maybe tomorrow we can slash the land.
That one, don't move that, because it's protecting.
No, we're just leaving the other one.
Yeah, I think the ones on top. Do you think this sand could be enough, or we still need more sand?
No, we still need more sand.
Okay.
We need more sand, like
10 more.
we need like 10 more. If you're waiting maybe for the rain, then we wanna see.
Where? Hey, you'll fall down. I don't even have the energy to carry you. I don't even know how to ride the motorcycle.
You can put me on your back.
Guys, I don't even know how to ride the motorcycle. So if it goes down, I'll be staring at you like, oh my god, what do I do?
You just make noise.
So be careful.
Just make noise.
Of course, I'll get you here within very few minutes, but before that, I'll have nothing to do.
Hey.
I'll be so hopeless.
You just say, why? Saidia! Sadakali, Saidia! Hey, this one is big.
It's big. I see.
Yeah.
That needs a lot of. I help you pull.
You fall down, and you show people in your hands. You fall down and you show people in your hands.
I won't show anyone your Bohanse.
Then people, the
We'll be like-
whole world will be watching. And me, I'll not cut it out.
You'll show everything.
I'll show them everything. That this is how she fell down
Malicious match.
maliciously until she showed people in your hands.
Oh.
The whole of your hands.
You will be embarrassed by yourself showing your Bohanse.
Careful, there's some stones there.
I want to sit down.
Hey, there's a big lizard. Do you know it?
Which one?
The big lizard.
The gecko.
Yeah.
The
It
big.
always hides there.
I'll say hi. As long as it's not a snake, I'm good.
Okay. Guys, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about this? Because and also some days I'll be showing you, so we have some fruits down there.
Mm-hmm.
There are plants that love what we call like they love sun.
Yeah, but then you know, as much as it is sand, it has some particles of loam soil.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why they're able to grow.
These plants always grows near the river. These ones.
Yeah. Okay.
I missed the radio.
I'm trying to look for soursop. There's a place where CJ told me there's soursop. Soursop trees that we planted here sometimes back. And I think they grew. But I can't see them. I don't know. CJ, there was some here.
Yes, there were some there, but we transferred them down there.
You transferred them down there?
Yeah, maybe this boy can show you.
Okay. Guys, there's a lot of blackjacks here. Oh my God. Mm-hmm. Imepotea? It died. I told him if you transfer them, they will die. Let's see. Guys, the other soursop is here. Yeah. It's ready.
Very
it's growing. Very beautiful. Yeah, so only one. So we'll come and plant more when it rains next time, I think. Okay. So thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So guys, you can see now the sand is very clean over here. I've removed everything. I've just slashed everything, so the sand looks very clean over here. On this other end, you see up to this other side. So it's a very big heaps of sand on the other end here. So I was just removing some plants, and yeah, that's how we keep on moving on this side. And the view is spectacular. I'm just imagining just putting up a small story building over here, just a small one, like, you know, and then you're having, I'm just standing on top of sand, and the view is like the breeze is like, look, I wish I had the big shot. You could be seeing it. It's swinging. You have a very great view. You can see here there's also a resort, a very nice resort being constructed over there. Hopefully some days it will be. And there's rumors, not rumors, but it's a proposed rumor, I can say so. I'm not quite very sure because I don't like rumors. There's an airstrip that is going to be constructed up here near the border of Kenya and Tanzania. So it's just like not even 1 kilometer from here. There's an airstrip over here. So in maybe 2 to 3 years coming, land here, it will be more, maybe 4 times what we were buying, and this place will be really changing. So this is the time. If also you see me not constructing, maybe this is the time. Maybe I can put it here, some nice house. It can be maybe one day people coming in, staying as they wait for their flights to Jui, you know, up here, like not even 2 or 1 kilometer. It's very near, guys, very near. There's an airstrip over here that is going to be like, it's being proposed, and they are planning maybe to construct it very soon, so that now we'll be having a very direct flight from here to Nairobi, Kenya. the capital city, and then from here also to Mwanza, the second capital city. Mwanza is a city, yeah. Mwanza is a city, but yeah, from here you'll be flying to Mwanza. From Mwanza you come back to Kenya, Kenya to Nairobi, very easily. Yeah, so over here also I'm with a friend came, a brother too, called True Boy. He visited me. He was helping me to remove some stuffs, and that's what you see around here. But still we haven't yet finished. Guy coming. Hey, BTDZ Panda. Hey, I love your shirt, man. BTZ Panda. True Boy 208.
Panda.
The guy of his own country.
Yes, my country 208.
Yeah, Panda has done what?
But now we are in 254.
254.
Yes.
Yes.
So okay, I was saying Panda. Direct translation. You can go up.
You can go up.
You can plant.
You can plant.
Kupanda mahindi.
To plant.
To plant maize.
Yeah, panda is an animal.
Panda mti.
Panda, you can go up. Going up a tree is called panda.
Panda.
Putting down maybe seedlings, planting seedlings is called panda.
Panda.
So there's panda animal, panda going up the tree, panda baskeli.
It has a lot of meanings.
It has a lot of meanings, yeah.
To me, when you are seeing me here,
yes,
I have a lot of meaning here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, this True Boy 208 is a brother and a family to me. He just been, oh man, you know, you can't work alone there when I'm around. So he was like, I have to arrive here, arrive here. Or you landed? You just landed.
Yeah, I landed.
So he just landed over here and he was like, oh man, your land is bushy, but we are just trying to clear up each and every single day, just pushing up. Okay man, introduce yourself.
Yes,
because
guys.
I can't introduce you.
Welcome again to Mr. Claude Joseph YouTube channel.
Yes.
To 30K subscribers.
Yes.
You know? I'm so happy being at this place.
Yes.
This is Mr. Claude Joseph's land.
Yes.
Dreamland. So very soon you are going to have a dream house over here.
Very soon, yeah.
With me, this is Mr. Trueboy 208.
Yes.
Those who don't know me, please check me out. Trueboy 208.
Yes.
This is the guy who's building dream house currently.
In the country,
In the
208.
208.
Yes.
My own country.
Yeah.
I'm trying to build my territory.
Your
you
own
know?
kingdom.
Yeah, my own kingdom.
Kingdom
So,
208.
yes.
Yes.
So I'll have my servants over there.
Yeah.
My wife,
Yeah.
my family, my mom.
Yes.
Those are my servants.
Absolutely.
And those are my soldiers. My brothers will be my soldiers.
Absolutely. They are very protective. You know, family is one of the best protection ever you have.
by the
Because
way-
even if somebody is bad, family will be there also. Oh, my kid, oh, my brother, he was good. Though even if you're going to do bad, but still family comes first.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's why you can see. If you watch my videos, guys,
Yes.
and if you watch Claude Joseph's video while at home in my dream house,
Yes.
you can see like all my brothers
Yes.
are there to support me,
Absolutely.
working with me.
Yeah.
Like there are those who are putting those stamps.
Yeah.
All those
The
roots.
tree trunks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there are those who mix like they were everybody like my elder brothers were there,
Were there.
and my younger brother was there
Oh,
also.
yeah.
You know,
Helping in bringing
Yeah.
water. Some
for free,
become like,
for free. you know.
imagine guys. You know.
And I was given
That was
even-
cutting cost actually. Yeah.
Yeah, and also I was given trees for free.
For
to
free, yeah.
harvest timbers.
Yeah.
Which is so nice
Very
because
nice.
if they were not other people, they would have
Sold
would
the
have-
trees for
yeah,
you.
Yeah, for sure.
But now because of brotherhood, they say, man, you're building home,
Yes.
you can have trees.
And that's why I'm telling you, like now my kingdom is going to go to have like
Only family members.
my brothers are there.
Yeah.
And other like
Maybe people who cooking there, people who
Yes.
taking good care of the
Imagine,
whole house,
imagine.
they are just the family members,
Yeah,
which
that's
is very nice and great.
Yeah. So-
What do you think about this? What we have been doing on the sand? Because
With me, this is great, bro.
Mhm.
It's great.
Mhm.
Like, let me start maybe with the collecting of materials.
yes,
Like you saw me, like, collecting.
yeah, we really struggle,
materials
guys.
Is not easy.
We really
You
struggle.
you might have money and it won't help you.
Yeah, for
You know-
sure.
You know,
We
like for
struggle
us,
with this guy. He had money to bring materials, but there were no any materials outside.
Imagine.
Because if we knew earlier, he could be collecting materials. But the moment he had money, we were running up and down to look for materials. A whole day you find only one truck of sand.
Yeah.
A whole day you find one truck of. So, but we thank God we managed. and
sure.
where we came from was the hardest part ever. And we are done now with the foundation. And also congratulations, and we give much thanks to Almighty God for
Thank you so
protecting
much.
us until we know. Some people start the foundation and they leave it there, but we managed even to pour the slab and
Yeah.
everything. So we are waiting also now to put up the bricks.
Yeah.
It's a very great work,
God willing,
and congratulations for that. It's very hard, but we made it. Yes.
Thank you, Saja,
Yeah.
for these blessings.
Yeah.
So that's why I was telling you, like,
Yeah.
this is another good idea.
Yes.
Because when you'll have enough materials,
Yeah.
when you begin the foundation, it will go like
It's faster.
yeah. Rather than just going, oh, you call the
We
the
need
truck
sand.
man. We need sand. No, I don't. There is no sand.
Or I'm coming.
You have to wait.
Or he say I'm coming until tomorrow.
Until tomorrow, you know. At the same time, masons are waiting.
Yeah.
So sometimes it might lead you to go slowly because because masons will be waiting.
Yeah,
what
for sure.
maybe they need.
Yeah.
But when you have everything here, it's only work.
Slowly
work.
by slowly.
Yeah, slowly by slowly.
Oh,
So
yeah.
thank you so much, Mr. And I appreciate you for this.
Yeah.
Maybe very soon, maybe when you complete my dream house,
Yeah.
it's now will be your turn.
Absolutely, slowly by slowly, and
Yeah, for sure.
no hurry. It's slowly by systematically. Because today if we are doing this, tomorrow we go for the plan. After the plan, we can just come and just do the ground break. Slowly by slowly, no hurry.
Yeah.
We may have no hurry that tomorrow I have to come in because I have a house at home. I'm very comfortable there, but it's my home. But here it will be a place where we'll be calling it home now.
Yeah, for sure.
Owning something. So it's like slowly by slowly with no hurry
With you,
as time goes by. Yeah.
with you, I know you like you're so hardworking, and a lot of burdens you've been carrying for your own. Like you've been paying school fees to your siblings, Mogendi, since Mogendi. Also our sister Claudia, Manu Claude is there, so you would have already built here.
Absolutely,
But
yeah.
because of that, and God is still blessing you more and more.
Absolutely, yeah, man. Thank
So
you.
don't maybe people will say, why is Claude taking his money? But they don't know.
Yeah, there's a lot happening behind. Yeah,
for sure. They
Yeah,
don't
and
know.
we
You
can't
know,
complain. We can't complain. Yeah. So
that's why when maybe we like we'll see this
Yeah.
maybe when we begin this,
Yeah, for
we'll
sure.
be so happy.
It'll be so hard.
But when you see this, it's on the way
It's
coming.
on the way coming. And also, taking person to school is like investing in him or her, because
That's true.
that's because the moment you put education in somebody's head, that's you have enlightened him. And they always say, educating a girl or educating a lady is like educating the whole world. On this other end, it's like also you can educating a lady and a boy. We don't say that we have gender bias, that you have not to educate a boy, you have not to educate a girl. But a girl, they always remember where they came from. But with we boys, the moment you get educated, some remember back home, but some they're like, okay, now it's me out to go out, and
when you marry,
yeah, it's over.
Even it's hard
You start a new family.
Even you forget your mom.
Absolutely. But with girls, they really go back home and say, oh man, this is where I came from, so I have to, this guy educated me. I have to work hard also to make him to be at his own place.
That's true. By the way,
Yeah.
with me, as you see me, like my elder brother and my mom have been really fighting for me,
Yeah.
and that's why I decided for me
Before
to
first,
build,
yeah.
to build
Home.
home,
Yeah.
So maybe when one day I'll have that more money,
Yeah.
I'll have to buy another land,
Yeah.
then I'll leave
You're
the
welcome,
house to
man.
my mom.
Come here. After you have finished there, everything, you're welcome here, man. There's more land here. Let me tell you, there's a secret that most people don't know. That this place they're going to build. I think you have heard those rumors that there's an airstrip that is going to be constructed.
I heard it by the
Yeah,
way.
there's an
It's only
airstrip,
I'm not sure about it, but
It's proposed, It's all that they want also to come and just do whatever they want, fence the land, and they start building the airstrip.
so you mean like
This place will be.
so now you mean like when you will be flying, you will not be using any transport from
No, it's
airstrip.
only you walk to the airstrip. You walk to the airstrip. You go, you fly.
Yeah,
You just land. If you want to go, and
sure.
we are near the country. You'll be flying. You want to go to Tanzania and you land in Mwanza. or you land in Dar es Salaam and you come back home in just
Yeah.
one day.
Imagine. Which is going to it's just around there.
Around
Just
up here, where you
beyond
see
that house.
smoke,
Yeah,
up
beyond
there.
that-
Yeah. Which is very
People
nice.
don't know, but since it has been said, it's going to be.
Yeah. When something is said, remember that if it's not happening now, then it's on the way coming.
Yeah,
So
sure.
you can just acquire small land here, just a small piece of land like mine, and some days just putting it. All right, man. I appreciate your love and support. Let me see what's happening, and then we wanna work. Okay, guys. Subscribe to his YouTube channel as TrueBoy208. All right.
One love.
All right. So also I was working on this. So you see now we have plantains over here because this place became like a place where nobody lives it. That's why you see them this way. And also we experience hailstones, rain that rains with stones. So that's why you see the leaves are tattered. We also had another one over here, and I think my wife showed you we have some flowers down there. Not flowers, but fruits, more so the expensive one called soursop. Also had another one over here. So I was just trying to clear up what was happening, and then we can see what's happening, you know. That's very nice and great. And I think we're going to end it here, and then we want to go home because the sun is up, man. Look at even the sky. The clouds are very high. And also check out the African Groove Hub over here, and also subscribe to TrueBoy208 with my wife, also me and Howie, as we are keep on moving. So we brought more materials, and we keep on bringing more. And let us know in the comment section what you think. We have sand and still we need more and more. And from this side, look at the sky, guys. Look at the sky. The sky is very clear, the blue and white. That's very nice, and the view is spectacular. All right, guys, I love you all, and thank you so much, and be blessed. All right, where she's passing, eh? Why are you passing there?
There's no key.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so guys, I just arrived back home, and yeah, this is my beautiful home. I'm from now my other place where you call it home. I'm from home, and yeah, let me check on our flowers that we planted the other day with my brother, so that we want to see how it goes on, because he told us not to water it every time, but just in the morning and in the evening. Like a time like now, they'll just remain that way, the way you see them. So we planted this. Oh, they are doing really pretty good and pretty well, as you see over here. And now the pathway, it's really green and clean up to this other side. So yeah, this is what you see up to this other end. We planted all. So some days we'll just go straight with this all the way through up to the other end, but for now it is what it is. Yeah, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about the work of the day, and what do you think about this video today. As always, we keep on. Today is so sunny, man. Very too hot to handle today. I put my cape this way, or this way, or this way, because if I put it this way you don't see me clearly. I look like a coop if I put this way or I walk this way, but my forehead is being burnt. Let me just cover it up. Yeah, and we enjoy our home, beautiful home over here. And also I told you that we were doing what we call like covering up our home, like putting up security lights. Maybe some these fine days I'll just show you the nightlife of home. Over here we have this. I think they destroyed it, but it's functional. We also have another side here for the bulb, and I showed you about this save light. We also have this one. Hey, at night it's like it shows a lot of, you know, bright on this side. Maybe in a few days from now, maybe in these fine days, I will do what we call do a live stream at night so that we can see how shiny this home is at night. There's a lot of, you know, brightness at night. Oh, and we have zambarau. Wow, man. Okay, there's this tree. I don't know how you call it in English. We call them zambarau trees. Oh, they always fall down. You see, like birds eat them. I don't know how you call these things in English. Wow, but it's so nice, so nice, and I really appreciate what I see. What I see here is something nice and great. It's every day, it's a nice day. So all of you see here, it's a beautiful place and a very nice, great area. Seriously. Oh, I thought of my goats, but are not my goats. Hey, it was like, seriously, guys. We also have some nice guavas, banana, and everything. Okay. Alright, guys, I want to end this video here. I say thank you so much for being on this YouTube channel. I really appreciate your love and support, and be blessed all. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Please make it happen by subscribing, liking, and sharing soon as today. The dog is drinking water. Having water? No, relax, man. I gave you milk before I get out of this place, so you drink water. You were drinking water. Bibi, how are you? You good? Okay. What are you eating? I brought her chips. Chips. You sell them pick. She calls chips pick. At the pick. So I'm saying I eat chips. I'm saying I'm eating pick. But it's just once in a while. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and thank you so much, and be blessed. Subscribe if you haven't, and leave a sweet comment, and let me know what you think about this. It's always positive vibes and positivity all time. Thank you so much, and bye guys. Bye.